Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Stremio on Android. First, let's download the VLC player. Open your Google Play Store and in the search bar, type VLC player. Find VLC Media Player in the results and tap install. You can also download Out Player if you prefer that instead. Once it's done installing, go back to your home screen. Now, open Google Chrome and in the search bar type web.streamio.com. Make sure you're logged in to your Streamio account. And once you're in, tap the user icon at the top right corner, then tap the settings icon. Scroll down until you see the advanced section. Now tap where it says disabled under the video player option. So in here, you can choose the video player that you want to use. Select VLC, the one we just downloaded, or Out Player if you want to install that. And that's it. Now go back to the main screen in Stremio. Choose any movie or TV show that you want to watch. And then the video will now automatically play in VLC or Out Player, whichever one that you want to pick. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.